Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the voice chat feature not working in the Claude AI app on your Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let's say for instance here you would like to have a chat or conversation with Claude AI here, and you're trying to send your voice message by tapping into that microphone button here when talking to Claude AI, but unfortunately it's not recording any voice messages. And the most likely reason for that is probably, at least in my opinion, that you may have not given Claude AI the permission to access your phone's microphone to record your voice. So if you'd like to change that, guys, and enable these voice chats, simply close Claude AI on your Android, and you will need to access your phone or Android settings. So tap into settings here, and what you want to do next, guys, is tap into apps and notifications here. Now if you're using a newer version of Android than mine, because I'm using a pretty old version for that example video here on that Android, you may find the apps section under a different name. For me it is apps and notifications. So tap into it and select Claude as the next step, and after that tap into permissions here. And here, guys, you will need to enable the permission to use the microphone here by toggling it on to the right. That is going to allow Claude AI to access your microphone so that you may now, from now on, record your voice message within the chat with Claude AI and send it. And yeah, simply use it to have conversations with the artificial intelligence and Claude AI. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.